Welcome guys, welcome to another Saturday meal. This is going to be a very quick video. At the beginning of the video you saw all the ingredients. I am going to make a Cobb salad. Now what I did in here was taking the kernels off the Cobb, and the one is already trying to get done. See? And I got like three ears in there, three corn cobs. So this is going to splatter because this corn is frozen. This should have been thawed out already. So what I'm doing is just roasting the corn, if you will. I did a video on this before. Sorry about the back of this thing right here. And this is a little bacon grease because I fried up some bacon. So your Cobb salad could be whatever you wanted to make it. So like I said, this is still kind of frozen. So it's going to take a little bit for it to cook up. Okay. Turn this up a little bit. Alright, I'm going to let this cook up, and then I am going to add just a little margarine in here, not much. And I'll come back with the finish and I'll come back and show you how I assemble for the Cobb salad. Okay guys, I'm back. I've fried up my corn here. I did some boiled eggs. I did about 5. I did some purple onions, diced. I cut up 3 sliced avocados. I have 1 large cucumber that came from Miss Marty's garden. I did, of course, you know, I did the bacon right here. I have 1 head of lettuce that I shredded, put it in a bag. Now we're going to assemble it. So whatever pattern you want to put this in, I like mine at an angle. And that's not shredded too good. Don't Miss Smarty Pants to death.
I was gonna say why, and I didn't cut it.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. Put it together. Get my onions. Put it on the side. And this is like 2 medium-sized onions. If your guests like a lot of onions. Okay. Put that on the side. And then I'm going to put some eggs.
Yes.
I know. She doesn't like eggs, so. Some eggs here. And put that like that. You see where I'm going with this?
Mm-mm.
Shut up. Okay. I'm going to take the bacon. Let it drain. Put it on the side.
Well, you just better be happy Carliss wasn't here, because you probably wouldn't have had no
I wouldn't have had no bacon. I wouldn't have had no lettuce. I wouldn't have had nothing.
But she would have ate the cucumbers too.
Mm-hmm. I am going to put the corn on the side. Okay. I'm going to put the avocados, the sliced ones, on the side. And the reason why they haven't turned brown, because I sprinkled lemon juice on it. And this could be for holiday. It could be for a brunch, lunch.
It could be for a Labor Day.
Labor Day. Any old holiday.
Mommy,
Yes.
what's lunch?
Between lunch and breakfast.
Would have been lunch, brunch, and second lunch.
Okay.
Breakfast, dinner.
And you're gonna have to, I don't have a bigger plate. I need to get a bigger platter. And I don't have one, so I have to get one to do this. Okay, you're gonna take your tomatoes. Put it on the side here. Okay. And I'm gonna have to slide to the left.
But why'd you just put the cucumbers on top of the lettuce?
I don't want to do that
Why not?
because that looks ugly.
Well, it's gonna come out way worse than what is sitting on the plate.
You nasty. Okay. Cucumbers, Miss Murray Pan's homegrown garden cucumbers. Okay. And there you go. Let me get a paper towel, wipe my hands. Yeah, I'm going to sprinkle sea salt or whatever. Just going to sprinkle just a little bit over it. Not much. And then I'm going to do black pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle. Okay. And then, you remember guys, I was telling you about make the, it's faded because it was in the refrigerator, the homemade ranch dressing. I made that. And here it is right here.
Actually, that was tart sauce.
It's not tartar sauce.
Earlier said tart sauce. Oh, silence?
Probably so. And I'm going to put a whole lot on here because probably a lot of people don't like, you know, all the dressing on it. Okay guys, here is my Cobb salad.
Oh, it's Cobb salad.
I hope you like it. Make it. Give me a comment. Okay, Miss Martypan's going to take a thumbnail.
Bye. There you
Bye.
go. You're back on.
I'm sorry. Because see, she gets me combobulated, as she always say.
Discombobulated.
Well, whatever. Because I'm always putting it out there so I could talk about it. So rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Let everybody know that we're here. And I'm still waiting for my saying, guys, for my end saying. I can say stay blessed, be blessed, and always be a blessing. I can say that. I think you guys are getting tired of that. But anyway, I'll see you guys next Saturday.